Virtual meeting things to know. Okay, hopefully everyone can see that. It says virtual meeting classroom agenda. So on the left, these are the things that we're going to be trying to accomplish during this meeting. And then these are a few reminders. So the first thing I want to discuss is Zoom meeting rules. We've already kind of touched on them, but rule number 1, you cannot unmute yourself. You cannot become disruptive during the Zoom meeting. You need to follow directions, and the purpose is to see each other, to have some sort of face-to-face contact, like if we were in school, but we want to make this a productive time on Zoom. We also don't want to let it go on all day long because we know that you have activities that you have to get done. If you cannot attend, so if you are not able to join the Zoom meeting for whatever reason, internet, your parents are home and they have the phone, it doesn't really matter the reason. If you're not able to attend a particular meeting, this video will be recorded and I will post it on Edmodo folder, on the video folder. So anything you miss, you can definitely rewatch, or you can watch it for the first time. It will be in the videos folder by the end of the day. Okay, the next few things are just what we're going to cover. We're going to try to watch this video. I'm not sure if the volume is going to be okay, so we'll play it by ear. Some practice questions, some area for kids, and then anyone that wants to stay on with me a little longer to have that has any questions about the Edmodo program, you can stay and I'll answer any questions for you. A few quick reminders: make sure your screen is muted. Zoom meeting behavior may directly affect conduct grades. So if you're being disruptive, this is like being disruptive in class. You cannot shout out, you can't unmute yourself, and just, you just know how to behave, okay? I don't think that's gonna be a problem for anyone. And finally, recording of each Zoom meeting will be available on Edmodo videos folder. So it's a little bit repetitive. Okay, I'm going to share the screen again, and we're going to move on to a different question. All right, so the answer was 24. Click. You get a star. Okay, so now we're going to move on to a different type of perimeter question, which is when you're missing a side. Okay. This is the video. I don't want the video. When you're missing a side, you create an equation, or you have to use information about the shape. So here in this example, it says, what is the perimeter of this regular hexagon? So what the clue is the hexagon part of it. Okay, let me see if I can highlight this for us. Hexagon, hexagon. Okay, so a hexagon we know has 6 sides and 6 angles. Okay, oof, I'm so sorry about this handwriting. All right, one of them is 3, and a hexagon has all equal sides. This regular hexagon has 6 equal sides. So they're telling us that each side is 3. Even though they didn't give us that information, we can draw that conclusion, okay? So we can add 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6 times, or we can use what we learned about repeated addition and multiplication to multiply 3 times 6. Okay, so our answer would be 18.
18.
Okay, let's go to our next question. What is the perimeter of a quadrilateral? So this 4-sided shape, it's an irregular shape, but we have everything we need. We know this side is 9. We know this smaller side is 5. We have the bottom 7, and we have the longest side 11. In order to solve this problem, all we need to do is add every single side. The perimeter, we go around the entire shape until we have added every single side. Okay, so we have 11 plus 9 is 20. That's an easy one. It ends with a 0. We like those numbers. Then we have 5 plus 7. That's 12. And to find the total perimeter, I add 20 plus 12, which in this case is 32. Okay. Right here, even though this looks irregular, it is not because it's just a triangle up here and a rectangle down here. Okay. And this is the side. This is the side that we're missing, this mystery side, right? But if you know about rectangles, you know that this side parallel to this side is equal. So our missing side is clearly given to us by saying 11 down here, 11 up here. So information about shapes will help you solving for the missing side. What did I do? Oh, I didn't follow the rules. Which of the following figure is made of a triangle and a rectangle? All of the sides of the triangle are the same length. What is the perimeter of the figure? Sorry, I didn't solve for the perimeter. I didn't follow the rules. So we know this side. What is this missing side with the triangle? I have 3 here, and I'm missing this side, which is also 3, because they're equal, right? Leah, you're being distracted. We have 3, we have 3, we have 3 over here, and then 11 and 11, okay? So we're gonna solve 2 at a time. 11 plus 11, that's easy to solve in our head, so we're gonna say 22. 3, 3, and 3 is repeated addition. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, and finally, 2 plus 9, 11, carry the 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Is this gonna work for me? What's going on? I don't know why it's, there we go, 31. Okay, give me a sec because I see a lot of people are sending chat notifications. I wanna say, oh, you guys are so cute. Yes, good, thank you. Yes, yes, good job. Be careful with your addition, Leah. Gabriel, you're too fast. You're too fast. You made the same mistake as me. You didn't include the missing sides. Take your time. Everybody is a big brain. You're funny. All right. Let's move on to the next question. All right, here. Let me read the directions. The figure below is made of rectangles. Label the missing side. Click each dot on the image to select the answer. Okay, so this side, I need to use this little pen. This side is already given to us. It's 1. We don't have to worry about it. This long side is also given to us. It's 10, okay? Notice how I'm going around the shape to make sure I don't miss anything. This side is 6. But now I have this long side, okay? And I don't know what it is. It is not 10. Why? Because 10 starts from the very top to the very bottom. And this doesn't start from the top. It starts from here. Do you notice that? So that means that this space is extra on this side, okay? Now notice that there's a 3 here. That means that this shape is going to be the difference between the total 10 and this extra space 3. So the missing side length is 7. This one right here, 7. Okay? Now that I have my missing side length, I am ready to solve for the total perimeter. I will start 1 plus 10, 11. Let's say 6 plus 7, 13. And finally, 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1, 32. Let's see those responses. Good job, good job. Good job. I think it's either 7 or 8. Who is that person that wrote, I think it's either 7 or 8? Write your name because you have your student ID number, and I don't know your student ID number. Let me see your face. 0699146. Who is that? That person tried to figure out the side length, and they were doing a good job. I don't know who it is. I will get to the bottom of it. It's a good thing.